Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder always crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder always crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list of apps, you will go to Tinder app. Then this page of app info, you will click on the first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your phone and you will turn off your phone. Then you can wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.